Friends, there's a beta you can opt into that gives you right-click actions on index pages. Check this out. So here I am on the contacts page, and if I come to any column header and right-click, I get an option to remove that column, or I can also add a column, and I can look at different property groups, or I can just grab one here. Now, one thing I want you to notice is I currently have 3 columns frozen, right? And if I come in here and let's add a column, let's just add this one right here. I'm still going to have 3 columns frozen. I can put this one in right here, and if I want to, I can remove it here. To control the frozen columns, you're still going to need to go to Edit Columns, but if you're just looking to add and remove columns, you can right-click. If you're looking to reorder them, you can just grab them and drag them around. And perhaps the most important thing to know is if you're playing around with this and you notice any weirdness, the team is looking for your feedback. Give them feedback on what you think about this, and they will be very happy to take that into account before it comes out of beta. This is now available. Opt yourself in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.